In this lesson we're going to speaking about the case instruction. The case instruction is a most complex version of the if, the same every other programming language. You can use an if or a case that is a multiple choices if. When you use the case, you have to add the different cases, the different choices you will have when they gave 1, 2, and 3, and now you got the 3 outputs in the case, and then you have to add the expressions. First, we are going to add a sketch for this project, the simple sketch of 10 by 10, and then I will add my expressions using the binding. I'm going to make a binding to the length L of the equals the length of the largest segment we'll label 1000. Then I'm going to add my expressions using L. I will say that the first choice L over 5 units, the second L over 10 units, and the last L over 15 units, and I will add here an L below 10 units and L below 15 units. Let's see, add here the equal to cover all the choices. Now we have three ranges of sizes for the 1000 edge of the sketch that will perform 3 different actions. Then for the first I will rename the face to north. For the second I will rename the face to south, and for the third I will rename the face to west. In this case I have a 10 by 10 region, and that match with the second choice, this one, with the second choice that rename 1000. If I change this to this size, the south now have 4 units. Now match with no one, and I have match with no one. I have to add here a new choice for the else, all faces to east. Now it match with this because no, it doesn't match with any of the choices. If I change this to 6, now it will match with the first choice, and if I put this to 20 something, it will match with the third choice. This is a simple way to make cases using bindings to geometric conditions. Another way to use the case is using a variable that can be here. I will add a variable a, for example, that will be from 1 to 3 in a step of 1, and I can say here when a equals 1, a equals 2, or a equals 3, that the variable now will control the choices in the case. As you can see, in this time, my variable is 2. If I select another, see how it changed. Now it's 1. The different values of the variable have controls the different choices in the case. That's all for this lesson. In the next one, we're going talking about functions and levels of details.